Gates open, they're up and racing. Swab Tiger draws for your lead. Running in second, Sugar Daddy. Then running on the outside, the Reality Show by the rail, Tiago. In between runners comes Winning Habit, then followed by Semper Fidelis, and he stopped guessing. He's running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 800. Swab Tiger being joined, running by the rail rudder is number 6, Winning Habit. Reality Show is on the outside, Tiago. Racing in fourth, down in fifth, moving up now, Semper Fidelis as they race at the last 600. Reality Show now takes up the running over Swab Tiger. Winning Habit shuffle back in third, racing in fourth by Darrell Tiago. Semper Fidelis is stop guessing is on the outside, Sugar Daddy, and down the stretch they come. Reality Show this time by about a length and a half, running in second by the rail, Tiago, running on the outside, Winning Habit. Swab Tiger in between runners and leading the finish line. Reality Show over Winning Habit, and finally Reality Show, Winning Habit, Swab Tiger, Semper Fidelis.
7 daw.